You can perform custom channel calculations using the calculator and the calculation manager. The calculation manager is recommended over the calculator several reasons, as will be demonstrated by the examples that follow. DIAdem uses the format of CH, group name/channel name, to reference a channel within formulas for both the calculator and the calculation manager. For example, if you wanted to reference a channel named Noise1 in the channel group named Noise Data, then the reference would be ch noise data/noise1. You use the same format to create a new channel. Both the calculator and the calculation manager will create a new channel in an existing default channel group or in a new channel group. The formula of ch new chn grp/new chn or pi, for example, will result in a new channel group named new chn grp and a new channel named new chn to be created in the data portal. If the channel already exists, it will be overwritten.